The question is, did they poop? I'm surprised you guys even stood still that long. That was really impressive. I mean, I can't even fault them for that. I know you're annoying. Look at you. What we really want to know is if they pooped. Did you poop? Did you go poo-poo? Did you go poo-poo? This age-old question comes up daily when I ask my wife what happened to our dogs this morning. Did they poop? Did they not poop? Sometimes it's difficult for us to figure out whether or not the other has let the dogs out this morning to poop. See, my wife and I work different schedules, and oftentimes she leaves before I'm up, or I'm up before she leaves, or wait, no, that's not how that works. Anyway, regardless, we forget to tell each other that the dogs went to the bathroom or not when it's each other's day to actually take them out. So, one day of the week, it might be her day, a different day of the week, it might be my day, and she might leave without telling me whether or not they pooped on a day that's mine, and so I have to figure out whether or not they did. Which is kind of a dilemma. If she's on her way to work, or she's busy with work, or vice versa, we don't really know whether or not they went poop. So I'll be texting her or calling her, or she'll be texting me or something along those lines, and we won't know whether or not it happened. Enter the Did They Poop app. So what we want to do is just did they poop app. That's it. Yeah, we're gonna do this did they poop app, and we're gonna work like this. Basically, we're gonna have to make a database and a table, which I've already done because that part I didn't know too well. I'm not a back-end programmer. Oh my god, no, that was bad. We're gonna make this back-end table. The table's gonna have dates for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we're going to fill in a value of 0 or 1 if they pooped or if they did not poop. So what I did so far was I made a database that basically stores every day of the week with a value of 0 to 1, and 1 for if they went poop and 0 if they did not. So what we want to do now is create a little user interface in Unity to display this information, and then also allow a change in information and hitting save and have to update the database. And then in the very end, we'll make it into an app, and then my wife and I can use it. Bam! So let's jump into it. So, okay, I already created the database. So I'm basically just going to go into the Unity part of it now. Now I need to create a user interface. Flawless, my guys. It's flawless. I have my server controller. I'm just gonna create another prefab. I'm just gonna call it the input controller. There we go. Monday text, and then trying to hit my Emacs hotkeys. That's not gonna do me any good. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday. Parse data. And we're gonna have this data that I'm gonna have coming in from the server. And that looks kind of funky. It's a comma delimited. It's a comma delimited subsection of pipe delimited data. So it looks something like, when you get it, it'll look like Monday 0, Tuesday 1, Wednesday 0, something like this, where basically the value next to it is a 0 or 1 value, whether or not they pooped, and then obviously the day of the week, and it goes all the way down. Alright, everything's set. So now all I gotta do is every time these sliders go off, we're just gonna post. So I just need to add an event to all of them, I'm pretty sure, on value change. So the way I'm gonna do that is public void on value changed. Oh, did I not recompile? I think I might just want to keep these like on a running total or something, but let's type int. We'll just store them all over again. How about that? Monday slider value. And then I'm gonna do one more thing. I'll make this public 2. Just pass in a lint. Ah, lint! Don't pass in lint! Anything but that. I'm gonna make this integers, by the way. Instance post values. We're gonna pass the day. String day equals this. Switch I. Server controller, send values. Nice. Hopefully that does it. When I hit play right now, I'm getting data from the server for each one of these days. You can see I have like Monday, Tuesday, and Sunday like slid over. So if I slide Monday back here to the left, that'll go out to the server. So now if I reload, it should be 0. It'll be over to the left. Boom. There it is. So I guess really the only thing left to do, and see this service unavailable thing, that's funny because like it is working, but I don't know what that is, and I'm not a backend engineer, so I'm not gonna mess with that. But what I am gonna do is that if I get a value in here that's greater than, I'm gonna just set up like all these colors. So set colors for each one of these. Basically, if the slider's over to the right, I'm gonna have it like turn a nice little green, so we know that that means that it's a yes, they pooped. All right, int I equals 0, I is listen, values count, iterate, and then hold on here, color block green, color block equals color block, and then green color block dot normal color equals color green. Well, that didn't work. Oh, the color multiplier? Okay, I see. It defaults to 0 apparently. Cool. That's pretty sweet. Alright, that looks good to me. Alright guys, that was pretty fun. It took all of like, maybe like 30 minutes to code that. You know, excluding the server stuff, which I left out because that took longer, only because I didn't know what I was doing. Yeah, that was pretty fun. So, I think I'll take these dogs to go poop now. And I'll catch you guys all next time. No, you didn't hear me say that. He knew I was gonna do that. Oh, Rickus, did you know I was gonna say that? Did you know? That's cute. You're cute. Especially this face. Look at that face. That is a eating face. Poodle. Look at that face. Sit. How much you love the cameras. Woof woof. Alright. You guys are good boys. Hey. Be quiet. Rick. Shush. No. No. Wow. It's dramatic.